Tassalini SPA operates in the field of manufacturing valves and fittings for food, wine, pharmaceutical and beverage industries, and also cosmetics. We are a company that has existed in the market for 100 years. We are the third generation. In the last 2 decades, we have transformed the company again by moving from traditional warehouses to using modular vertical warehouses. Doing production for the food industry, we have to get all the material divided not only by form or by item or by material quality, but also by optical.
From the beginning, in which the module was exploited simply as a method of making space management extremely efficient, we gradually came to appreciate the speed and the possibility of not making mistakes in peaking. This has led us to choose in recent years the new modular models, the Slims. We have seen that the advantages are considerable. Having multiple machines working at the same time allows more operators to be at work at the same time. And the modules that now service the assembly benches can allow the assembly operator to have all the components he needs to pick up immediately in front of him without having to wait for drawer after drawer to arrive. In addition, the Slim allowed us to store our drawers where we are used to storing our material. The operator, with the production order passed to him, whoever is running the production goes to the warehouseman, has the modulars bring down the material, and the operator leaves with his material ready to be processed. It is a time advantage, not just more space advantage. Incredible. The modulars, in addition to the space efficiency advantage, also make it safe and correct at all times. So by now, even the inventory phase, certainly the infra-annual phase, has not been done for a long time now. And even the one, in case you find a discrepancy between the stock in the management and Modula WMS, you go and investigate why. But they are really residual cases. Now, the problem of errors in inventories are really rare. Given our commitment to compliance with MOCA regulations, food contact materials and objects, it has become vital not to make mistakes. Modula's WMS software gives us all the answers we need, which are essentially where the material is and how much there is. If I can't rely on the numbers I see on the management system and Modula's WMS, that's when I sometimes find myself producing more than I need, unnecessarily wasting time, money, inventory, and space.
The main advantage of iModula is that it has been able to standardize the work, in the sense that right now any kind of operator is able to do any kind of processing on iModula, something that before without iModula was not possible, because you had to know the code, you had to know the product you were going to pick up. Instead, now through a simple monitor, anyone is able to do that work there.
Without Modula, just with human intervention, it would have been inconceivable to do something like that. Let's say that today we are fully satisfied with the result achieved. We have 14 modules in the company, and we started with 1.